workshop was aimed at sensitizing those utilizing the forest on the need to obtain an environmental authorization from the EPA, which is mandatory by law. Helen Lorenz, a tourism student, and Gaiman Edward, a forestry student, commended the efforts by the EPA.
Everybody should be aware of it, and like NGOs and who want to go into the forestry sector. I know a lot of people are interested in it, but they don't know the steps to take it. So I strongly agree with what they're doing here at Bina Hill now. Yeah.
Pertaining to the environment, I think it's good because like in the tourism sector in which I am interested, I like the fact that they do it correctly, where they would like reduce like pollution and those things, and it wouldn't affect the wildlife.
Senior Environmental Officer Karen Small said while the workshop was aimed at forest operators, she was delighted that the students were integrally involved.
It was a pleasure for us because remember, they are the future generation and they're also forestry students. So it was even a better opportunity for us as we were looking at forest operators to give them an opportunity to build their capacity so they can carry on in our absence what we would have taught them today.
Throughout 2019, the EPA will be conducting similar workshops countrywide to encourage more forest operators to be authorized. Forest operators are being urged to get authorized as soon as possible. Reporting for InfoHub, Ayana George.